Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take an abbreviated look. I apologize, I'm going to rush through this video. Unfortunately, I have to leave. I got to get on the road. I'm on my way to a show this weekend, so I'm going to try to get a quick video of this 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle shot. It's got the SS badging and the SS stripes, but it is not a true super sport. It is a clone. Gorgeous hugger orange paint with the white stripes, black bucket seat interior. I sold this car originally in 2017. Gentleman here locally has had it ever since. Great car, big block, healthy big block that runs and drives just as sweet as can be. Maybe you can go ahead and open the hood. US mag wheels, 350 turbohydramatic trans. It is a 10-bolt 355 limited slip. About 6,000 miles on the restoration. I will tell you something very cool. A lot of times we don't get good stories when a guy's selling a car. Sold the car to move to Hawaii. I thought that was pretty cool. Again, big block 454 car, power steering, power disc brakes. Car runs out strong, as you can hear. Aluminum radiator. Fun car. Tacking gauges, 6798, that is what's on the restoration. That is your oil pressure gauge over there. It's digital. I thought that was pretty cool. Buckets, console. It's a 8-track player. Radio works. I think the 8-track he said in there works and everything. But a fun car. And again, sorry for the abbreviated video. If it lasts, we'll go ahead and redo another one.